What are you doing, Creed? Snow cold?
Watch this, Creed, look.
Daddy threw a snowball. Oh boy.
You like their water hose? Creed, this is snow, sweetie. You barely pick it up to shape it or do anything with it at all. Like, I mean, look how solid it is. I'm not even sinking. Creed, are you leaving?
He said it's cold. Is it too cold for you? It's a water hose? Hey, did you like the snow? Yes?
There's a good slip right there in the snow, so be careful. What do you think, buddy?
Oh boy, be careful.
Creed, I'm gonna get your mommy.
Oh gosh.